350-gram mutton mixed body, 2 onion cut in slice, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 cup water. Bring it to boil. Cover and cook on low flame for 30 minutes. 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 15 black peppercorns, 2 black cardamom, 5 cloves, 15 to 16 button red chilies. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Let it cool. Grind coarsely. A half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, a half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Set aside. After 30 minutes, set aside. 3/4 cup cooking oil, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon green chilies paste. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 500-gram tomatoes, cover and cook on low flame 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the skin of tomatoes. Mash well. Add prepared mixture. Cook until oil separates. Add cooked mutton and stock. Cook on medium flame 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, cook on high flame until oil separates. Five to 6 green chilies. Add ginger julienne cut.